Is failure to effectively manage your lake's health being concealed in your lake management reports? Are you being duped into sleight-of-hand chemical treatments that measure a misleading metric and show it's dropped, but don't come clean and tell you that so has all the nutrient-rich dead algae or invasive weed biomass dropped into the sediment to cause hypoxia that has not been measured, that serves up recycled ammonia and orthophosphate that is not being measured, that drives the gradual dominance of toxic cyanobacteria that is not being measured, but masked by measuring chlorophyll A instead, and putting you back on the chemical treatment roundabout. Don't be fooled again. Watch our new 4-part video series on how to measure what matters, to know whether you're getting value for money for your lake spend.